Hello mga ka-sweetness at sa mga bitter na din, welcome back to my channel again. So today is June 12, 2003. Pasensya naman po at ngayon lang na-upload ito. 1 year ago na ito. So ngayon June 12 na naman, magbe-birthday na naman ako guys. At ito nga, ayan. So yan yung kita-kits kami guys sa SM, Legazpi, Albay kasi nga yung mga kapatid ko iba-ibang lugar sila sa parte ng Bicol. So magsa-celebrate kami dito. Yan, dito kami kumain sa Korean food buffet. So dito na lang kami nagkita-kita lahat. Ayan yung parents ko, ayan yung driver, at ito naman ang aking ka-YouTube ko ayan si All Out Seneta. Ayan, si Silab. Ayan, nagkita din kami, na-invite ko din siya. And then, the rest are my pamangkin. And then, ayan, sila, mga kapatid ko. So, dito kami nag-celebrate, guys, sa SM. And then, may gala pa kasi kami. Kaya yun, pinalabas ko na lang sila dito sa Albay.
No seafood, huh?
There's shrimp, sir. Do you want
Shrimp.
shrimp?
No shrimp.
Ay, daulo.
Look here.
Guys, gusto nyo na cake? Duwa na kayo, ha? Duwa lang. Ay, guys. Do you take photos forever 21? Okay, plate.
Look at the inside.
It's a rainbow.
Oh.
It's a rainbow cake. It's nice color. I like it.
Yeah, it's colorful.
Lahat ng timbang.
Blow the candle, ate. Wish. Wish na wish.
Guys, I'm forever 21. Okay, sure. It's nice color. I like it.
Yeah, colorful.
Marami namang tindahan, no? Okay, plate.
Look at the inside.
It's a rainbow.
Oh.
It's a rainbow cake. Will you take photos forever 21?
Blow the candle, ate. Wish. Wish na wish.
Guys, I'm forever 21. Okay, sure. Guys, gusto nyo ng cake? Duwa na kayo, ha? Duwa lang. Ay, siya.
Look here.
Ay, no.
No seafood, huh?
There's shrimp, sir. You want
Shrimp. No shrimp.
So, ito na mga ka-sweetness, after ng birthday ko, pupunta naman kami sa waterfalls, magsiswimming. So, eto, ang saya-saya, medyo busy sa SM, pero mabuti na lang dito sa Korean restaurant, sa Doki, kami kumain, is walang masyadong tao, kami-kami lang. And super enjoy naman, masarap naman yung food nila, nabusog naman sila kasi unlimited buffet naman siya. So, thank you guys for watching. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-like and subscribe, please do. At see you again. Ang i-upload ko naman guys, sisikapin ko na hindi na umabot ng 1 year, is yung birthday ko this coming June 12. So, ayan. Ngayong Friday namin gaganapin. So, medyo busy ngayon kasi ngayon yung celebration ng birthday ko. Team Sunflower. So guys, again, sa mga nagtatanong, I'm forever 21. Okay? Huwag na tayong mag-compute-compute ng edad. And thank you guys for watching. And bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dapat pala, may boy dito ka sa akin. Ayaw mo kasi mag-iwanay kay Papa. Oo, ayaw niya mag-iwanay.
Hi! Oh, hi kayo. Oh, full pack tayo ah. Oh. Video.
O, tingnan mo.
Wow! Nice!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Charm. Diba? Singer pala tong mga bata na to.
Tulog na yung isa.